Hello students and welcome to this channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe so that you will be getting the lesson each time it is posted. And please share to your friends so that they will enjoy with you. And as you are doing so, you will benefit more, and at the same time, you are trying to support and encourage me. So today, we'll be looking at, remember my name is Gloria. Today, we'll be looking at oral part of English language. And the topic we are looking at is the vowel sound air. Remember that we started with pure vowel sound, that is monophthong, and we started with E followed by A. We are treating them according to how they are arranged in the vowel chart. So the vowel number 1, we have treated it. We have also treated vowel number 2, and this is number 3, air. Now, how do we pronounce this sound? To pronounce this sound, the front of the tongue is raised a bit and then it is pushed forward, and the tip of the tongue touches the lower teeth. Your mouth is open and the lips are spread. To pronounce the vowel sound E. The front of the tongue is raised a little. And it is pushed forward. The mouth is open and the lips are spread. Now let's look at letters where we can hear this sound. So letters where we can hear the sound include letter E. Remember, we are talking about letter now, not sound, but where we can hear the sound. We can hear it in letter E, as in bed. I will transcribe because it helps in our pronunciation of the words. So, the first one is bed. You write it as you transcribe as you write. Bed. Then we have red. We also have cell. We have cell. Fell. We have ben, and so on. That is for E. You can also hear this sound in letter A. Letter A, as in any. Any. Then we can hear it in many. 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 You can also hear it in says. Says. Okay, so now says. Says. Okay. We also have letter AI. Letter AI, as in said. Said. or self. Then apart from this, we can hear the sound again in letter EA. Letters EA. Letters EA. As in, we have ready. Ready. You're supposed to underline the letters anyway. Okay. Underline the letters here, we can hear them. Then ready. Ready. We also have meant. Meant. Okay, let me transcribe them. Sorry. Ready. Ready is transcribed ready. Then we have meant. 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 We have bread. Remember, letters E, A. Bread. Also head. Feather. 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 Also weather. Weather. And so on. We can also see it or hear it in letter words that contain letter E, T, 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 E. As in etiquette, 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 etiquette. I mean, this is where the sound is and you see it here and here. Etiquette. We also see it in silhouette. Silhouette. That is how to pronounce the sound. Silhouette. Silhouette. Okay. And we can also hear this sound in UE. Letters U and E together. For example, we can hear it in guest. Guest. We can hear it in question. 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 You can also hear it in quest. Quest. In quest. Then we can also hear it in certain words that contain QUE or UE. Okay, we have mentioned UE, but we still have some words there like request. 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 We have request. And so many other words or letters where we can hear the sound. I mentioned AI too, as in set, EA as in bread, head, and so on. UE as in quest, guess, question. Even ESE, ESS too. You can see it in ESS as in mess. Mess. You can also see it in dress. Dress. You can hear it in press. And so on. So these are letters and the words that contain the sound e. Now let us try and make sentences with these words. Okay, let's try and make sentences with some of the words. Sentences. Okay, for example, the number one, the guest will, okay, let's put it this way. The guest will visit us today. Guest, G-U-E-S-T, guest. So we have it here. The second one, you should dress well to the party. You should dress well to the party. So we have it in dress and in well. Okay. Okay, let's also look at other ones. The press release is very important. So press, and then we see it in very. Okay, we have 3 sentences already. Okay, let's continue. This is number 3. Then number 4, she read the passage very well. Well and very. She read the passage very well. We still have a lot of words that contain the bread, like what, okay, we can eat bread for breakfast. Remember that it is there in bread. Okay. The headmistress came late on the assembly today. Remember, it's here. Okay, and so on. These are sentences. So I want us to read it together. So read after me. The guest will visit us today. You should dress well to the party. The press release is very important. She read the passage very well. Remember, I hope you are reading after me. We can eat bread for breakfast. The headmistress came late on the assembly today. So you can have already underlined those letters in the words that contain the sound. So I would like you to, as an assignment, look for other words where we can hear the sound. But meanwhile, in my next lesson, I will give you some of the WAEC questions on this particular sound. Please remember to subscribe, share to your friends, and also like. You can also make your comments. Thank you very much.